Hi, this is Fabricio from Car Inspected, inspecting the 2017 B250, and I try to show the noise or the metal noise when I start the engine. And by some reason it happened only when the hood is closed. So I hope that you can hear from this video. Opening the door, that probably will be easier to hear. So looks like that the noise is coming from the crank start motor, and probably because of the hood that is closed, concentrate more the noise inside of the engine, and this is the reason for the noise again. Yeah, definitely this noise is coming from the crank motor, and it's not exactly normal to have this kind of noise, a metal with metal. Maybe it's appear by the time, but it's not normal. Okay, thank you.